We move on. The next fitna that would grab the ummah is التعمق في متشابهات القرآن. التعمق في متشابهات القرآن, where people will try to unpick and unpack the ambiguities of the Quran. So there are certain verses in the Quran that are clear cut. هو الذي أنزل عليك الكتاب منه آيات محكمات هن الكتاب وأخر متشابهات. And Allah has revealed certain verses and they are clear cut, they are explicit, they are clear in their meaning, and they make the mother of the book, the basis of the book, the foundation of the Quran. وَأُخَرُ مُتَشَابِهَاتٍ. And surely there are certain verses that are complex and that are ambiguous and cannot be easily understood, and it acquires and requires detailed understanding. And yet after applying your mind diligently for years, there are certain things that are still not known to anyone because Allah did not reveal its meaning to anyone. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ زَيْغٌ فيتبعون ما تشابه منه ابتغاء الفتنة وابتغاء تأويله وما يعلم تأويله إلا الله. Those people in whose hearts there is crookedness and deviation, they will persist behind the complexity and the ambiguities of the Quran. Whereas وَمَا يَعْلَمُ تَأْوِيلَهُ إِلَّا اللَّهِ, the true meaning of those verses are known to none other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So another sign of Qiyamah is that people with little or no knowledge will try and unpack and go into the depth, and surely the consequences, the repercussion of that can be nothing but catastrophic. It would destroy their iman, and it would create doubt in their minds because they don't have that knowledge and understanding. May Allah protect us.